everyone. Welcome to Light Expertise. I'm Dr. Saudamni Sinha, and today we have with us Nidhi. Hi, Nidhi. Welcome to Light Expertise, and congratulations on clearing your KAPS exam. How are you feeling?
Hi, thank you so much for congratulating me. I'm feeling now very better after completion my KAPS exam due to this hard work of sir and ma'am and supporting all the Relight Expertise team.
Okay. So, what is your educational background? Where did you complete your
Uh,
B.Pharm or PharmD?
yeah, I completed my Bachelor of Pharmacy from India, Charusat University, Gujarat. And after I gave IELTS, and after I came to Australia for my further studies.
Okay. So, why did you choose Australia, and why KAPS as your future pathway?
Uh, as per so many research and some relatives experience, I found that the Australia has like much better competition with the pharmacy and have a good future. So I choose the Australia for like future registered pharmacy. I want to become a registered pharmacy in Australia, so I choose it.
Okay. So, why did you choose Elite Expertise?
Uh, Honestly, I find in like Google, I just search one day that best coaching in uh, like Australia for the caps, and I found the first name of Elite Expertise. After I asking in my job, like one or two person also join in Elite Expertise and they clear their caps exam. So I think now it's better, and I also checked their like ratings and like pass rates. So I'm very happy to join in that. And after I join, and I feel very better with like elite expertise because they always support us in each and everything, whole elite expertise team and sir and ma'am in each and every technical issues or like any motivational everything. Thank you.
Okay. So, just the last question, like, how would you motivate our future pharmacists who are applying for Opra next year?
um, like you do not like demotive, just motive yourself and just preparing your exam. uh, as per my perspective, I think I just did OCAPS exam clear in just 2 months because I visited India on August and come back on September after I started my CAPS exam, but I did not did job at that time. So it's like very big point, like positive point for me. I day whole day preparation, like in a day I do like 6 7 hours, and after like in 1 November I did like 10 hours. So it's good for me. I tell the other student future pharmacists that just trust on the sir and ma'am because they did too much hard work for us, and they blindly trust on them and just do as they teach. Do not like search or anything search or like read anything other material surrounding us. Just prepare the handouts, doing mock as much as you can, and just do three times a lecture till the exam. So definitely you will pass the exam.
Okay. Thank you so much, Nidhi, and all the very best. Since you are already in Australia, so we hope that you'll get your internship and then you become your registered, like complete your registration soon. All the best,
Yeah,
Nidhi.
sure. Yeah,
All
thank
the
you
best.
so much.
Thank you so much. Take care.
Okay,
Bye bye.
bye.